To create a studio-quality voiceover in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and navigating to the AI toolkit. Inside the toolkit, locate the AI voice or voiceover generator, which is designed to convert written text into high-quality spoken audio. Once inside the voiceover generator, click on Create New Voiceover to begin your project. The first step is to choose a voice model. Artlist AI offers different voice styles, including natural, professional, and expressive voices. For studio-quality results, it is best to choose a clear and well-balanced voice that matches the tone of your content. After selecting a voice, choose the language and accent if these options are available. This ensures that the pronunciation and delivery style match your intended audience. Next, enter your script into the text box. This is the most important part of the process because the AI will use your written content to generate the voiceover. For better results, make sure your script is clean, well-structured, and written in a conversational or professional tone, depending on your project. Once your script is ready, you can adjust voice settings such as tone, speed, and pitch if the platform provides these controls. Slower speeds often sound more professional, while slight adjustments in tone can make the voice sound more natural or expressive. After configuring your settings, click Generate Voiceover. The AI will process your script and produce an audio file that sounds like a human narration recorded in a studio environment. When the voiceover is generated, preview the audio carefully. Listen for clarity, pacing, and pronunciation. If something does not sound right, you can adjust the script, change the voice model, or modify the settings and generate again. Once you are satisfied with the result, download the final voiceover file. You can then use it for videos, presentations, advertisements, or any other content that requires professional narration. And that's how you create a studio-quality voiceover in Artlist AI. Choose your voice model, enter a well-written script, adjust settings, generate the audio, and refine until you achieve a polished, professional sound.